Quick little video on how to swap out the bushing on a Okuma Cavalla. This is a 12. I'll have a link in the description with the rest of the models. I'm pretty sure it's a common part. So take a thin little screwdriver, pop the plastic piece off. So I fish lefty, so mine is reverse thread. Phillips head, obviously. I find a wooden dowel works pretty good. Doesn't mar. So there's the bushing. We're replacing that with a bearing. Same size. A little oil. Drop it back in. Use again the wooden dowel. Try to get it seated. There we go. Still good. Screw the dog hair off. Hope I can see it. And that's it. The replacing the little. Oh, I guess I missed something. There was a. I guess there's a shim in there. Let's take a little of the play. So if you can see, there's a little bit of the play. That's usually in there on different models for tolerances. So I'm gonna take it back off and put it back in and put it back together. But usually that's not a big deal. So that's it. Thanks.